Okay, next. An existing highway with bearing of 20 degrees east of north is to be connected to another highway with a bearing of 80 degrees east of north by a 4-degree simple curve. What length of a curve is required? So meron daw tayo 20 degrees east of north. So meron tayong 80 degrees east of north. So let's say ito na lang. Okay, ayan. 20 degrees, 80 degrees. Ayan. Okay? Tapos i-connect daw to yung ng simple curve. Ayan. Yan kunwari simple curve. Okay, so tinatanong ano yung length ng simple curve. Okay, so para ma-compute, una, kailangan na, di ba ang length ng simple curve ay ano lang yan, galing lang yan sa S is equal to R theta. Radius ng simple curve times yung theta, which is ito yun, yung I. Tapos kailangan lang naka-radians yan, kaya mag-multiply ka ng pi over 180 para ma-convert yun sa radians. Kaya ganyan yung formula niya, no? Tapos, kailangan mo ng R, kailangan mo ng I. Yung I, ito yun. Okay, which is, kung titignan mo sa figure, 80 minus 20 lang, or 60 degrees. So, meron ka na nung I. Radius na lang. Binigyan ka ng degree ng curve. Di ba ang relationship ng degree ng curve? S is equal to R theta din. Ang idea, pag sinabi mong degree ng curve, yan yung opening ng simple curve na sa kada station, no? Sa pagitan ng dalawang station. At by default, kapag ka-metric, ang distance ng dalawang station ay 20 meters. Kapag naman English, no, ang distance ng dalawang station ay 100 feet. Okay? So tandaan niyo 'yun kasi default 'yun, no? So dahil naka-meters naman, so therefore this is 20 meters is equal to the radius of the curve times yung degree ng curve times pi over 180. Okay? And dahil may degree ka, makukuha mo yung radius. So 20 times 180 over degree ng curve over pi. So ito yung radius, 286.48. Okay, and then substitute na natin lahat ngayon dito. Ang length ng curve ay 286.48 times 60 degrees pi over 180 degrees. So that gives us 300 meters. Okay? Yung iba naman, ang ginagawa, kinakabisado yung formula ng length ng curve in terms of the degree of curve. Pwede naman, no? So as we can see, if we collect these formulas together, okay, so we can actually solve for the radius dito. Okay, tapos i-substitute natin dito. Ayan. Makapansin nyo, magka-cancel itong pi. Magka-cancel din itong 180. Kaya matitira, LC is 20I over 2. Yung iba, ito kinakabisado. No? Pero it's optional. Kayo bahala kung gusto nyo. 20 times 60 over 4. Yun din yung sagot. No? 300. Okay? So, pwede nyo rin kabisaduhin kung gusto nyo lang. No? Pero kung hindi, okay lang. Basta alam nyo yung basic. Walang problema dyan. Always, ang priority is yung basic. No? Kung kayang kabisaduhin ba to, di kabisaduhin para mas bumilis lang yung computation. Okay? So, that's how we solve this problem.
you.